Are you looking to start a video call on Twitter on your PC, but don't know where to begin? Well, you're in luck because I'm here to guide you through the process, step by step. First things first, open your Twitter account and log in. Once you're in, head over to your Messages tab. This is where all your conversations are stored. Next, find the account you want to call. You can either search for their name or scroll through your list of contacts. Once you've found them, open up the conversation with that person. Now here's where the magic happens. Look for the camera icon within the conversation window. It's usually located at the top right corner. Click on it to initiate the video call. And just like that, you're now connected through a video call on Twitter on your PC. It's as simple as that. So next time you want to have a face-to-face conversation with someone on Twitter, just follow these easy steps. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide on how to start a video call on Twitter on your PC. Thank you for watching and happy video calling.